Hey, welcome back friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa and I'm doing another album share with you guys today. I done this album with the Love and Adore from Simple Stories. Beautiful paper, beautiful. This is what I'm calling the Be Forever Folio album. I have showed you guys this album. Oh, it's been a few months back and I didn't have it completely finished, and now I do. So I'm going to share it with you guys. This was our kit club project that we done for January, February, and March. And I send them a kit every quarter, and then we do an album and a bonus project. So this is what we done, and I'll show it to you. I do have the tutorial for purchase on my website, scrappinitup.com with no G's, just scrappinitup.com. So go check it out. It's a pretty easy album to make. So go check it out, guys, and grab your tutorial, and you can make it. Okay, this album is 8.5 by 10 with an 1.5 inch spine, and there's the back. Okay, and I just kind of collaged the front up. All right, let's open it up. It has an acetate pocket here, and I glued 2 hearts together from the collection and put it on twine. And then you have an acetate pocket here, nice big full pocket. And this is that scraps that I showed you, a way that you can use up your scraps. Oh, it's probably been 4 or 5 months ago. I showed you what to do with your scraps. You can make pockets out of them. You can make photo mats out of them. So I did that for this album. Very cute album. This the covers are made out of 110 cardstock. This album does use my Floating Folio hinge, and I backed it with tie-back. Okay, so we have a little insertion place here, and then it flips. This album really turned out really cute. And you could even do the album with a chipboard cover instead of 110 cardstock if you wanted it more sturdier. So that's an option too. So then we have a belly band here. Well, first we got a flip. And then we have a belly band. And again, I done the scrap thing that I showed you girls how to do quite a while back. And it is a great way of using up scraps, and it looks nice in your albums. Okay. And this album does have pockets. You could put stuff in the pockets. I'm going to be closing mine up. Okay, because my album's getting chunky. I want to save room for the photographs. So then we have a pocket here. And then this opens up for that. Beautiful paper, guys. And then for that flips, and then I have a pocket here and a couple of photo mats. And then this was just part of a part of the collection, and I cut it out and I made it into where you could put your photo here, you know, as long as it, you know, don't go past here, and you could have a photo on both sides. I'm just playing around, see what I could do. I'm always playing around. Then there's this and this. Beautiful. Then we have another belly band here. And I left that one blank because I want it to be about the pictures, and then you can put some of your embellishments on after you get your pictures on. And again, another one of the scrap techniques that I taught you. And it flips. And this is the very back of the album. So there's that. And that. Very easy album to make. And it does use my Floating Folio hinge that I come up with. So if you want to check it out, go to Scrappin with no G, itup.com. And I have other tutorials on there for you to purchase, and I also have supplies, so check it out, guys. I'll put the link down below to the tutorial for this, and where you can get the paper if you're interested in getting the paper for this collection. Okay, we hope to see you guys here pretty soon. So in the meantime, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.